Yes. Can see how it removes everything. Really nice. What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna use the clay bar kit. We're gonna do the clay bar treatment to the paint of the Honda Pilot. We're gonna use the Meguiar's Clay Bar Kit. Why I'm doing a clay bar treatment? With the clay bar treatment you can remove all the contaminants like tree sap, dirt that is stuck to your paint, and you can remove it with the clay bar. Okay, and after you remove everything with the clay bar, you can put your wax or anything that you want to protect your paint and to keep your car clean longer. Okay, so let's do that next. Okay, today we're gonna use the clay bar to clean the whole truck, to remove all the tree sap or those spots on the paint. But before we do that, we have to clean it and wash it and remove all the dust and dirt that is stuck first. So you can see it right there, it's very dirty. So we have to wash it first. It's ready, it's clean. Let me see, let me show you. I already washed it, but still you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it has spots. This one right there, okay? So it's hard to remove those we're gonna get it with the clay bar. Okay, so now the next thing is to clean the spots, the tree sap and all those things stuck to the paint. We're gonna clean them with the clay bar. Okay guys, this is the clay bar kit that we have. We're gonna use this one. This is from Meguiar's, and it has 3 clay bars, but I already opened one, this one that I'm gonna use right now, and it comes with this. But you can use water and soap with this, okay? One bottle with a little bit of water and soap instead of this. But this kit comes with this thing and a microfiber, but my microfiber is dirty, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay, but it comes with a bigger microfiber like this one. Okay, so we're gonna clean these spots. I don't know, you can see it. It has a lot of black spots. So let me remove this thing and let's start cleaning this thing. All right, so let's clean this. You can see it. You can see it there. Put a little bit of this and it's gone. So start with the small areas at a time. Okay, and you can see how dirty it is. It's turning yellow, so it has a lot of dirt. You can see it there, yellow. Okay, but remember to wash it before you do this, so you don't want to scratch the paint. Okay, have to remove all the dirt first. So let's do the center of the hood. Yes. Can see how it removes everything. Really nice. Love it. This works super good. I like this thing, especially for the wraps. This removes everything. All the small spots are gone. Small black spots. Look at that. It's turning yellow. Yes. And one small clay bar, it works for a whole car, okay? I think you can use it a couple of times. You can feel it, it's not as smooth. And then when you put this a little bit, now, yeah, you can feel it here. It's a little bit rough, a little bit, you can feel it, and here it's smooth. Yes. Let me know if you like the videos like this, more closer to with the GoPro. I have a new GoPro, that's why I'm doing this. Like this. Alright, so now the whole hood is clean. Let's wipe it off with this one. Some cars you might have to do 2 passes, okay? Because if your car is very dirty with a lot of tree sap, you might have to do it twice, okay? But for this one, it's not that bad. We wanna pass, it's good enough. Yes. Yeah, have one. You see, I have to have one more. It's gone. Yes. And if you see something that you might probably missed, do it again. Yes, this work. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And after you do this, you can put wax. But don't put wax until you use the clay bar, okay? You don't want a coat of wax on top of the dirt, okay? So do the clay bar first, and after that you can do the wax on top of the paint. Yes, you see? Perfect. Okay, if you have something, no, it's just dust. Yeah, I have something here. Here's the clay. Gone. Love it. And you can feel it more smooth, like new paint. You can feel it here, and here you can feel the little dots, like the tree sap. You can feel it. Over here it's not as smooth, and here beautiful, super smooth. Wow, I love it. So it's very easy to use. So now I'm gonna do the full truck or SUV. I'm gonna do the whole thing, but in a time lapse. Okay, so let's do that next. Alright guys, then you can see it looks super clean, looks amazing, but I still have to do the roof and this. I don't know if you can see that has some spots over there, so let me show you how it looks, how it cleans this one. Some spots are harder than other ones, and you have to do it very hard with a lot of energy. Okay, so you can see it there. Wow. So yeah, it removes everything, but some areas you have to do it harder, like this one. Beautiful. You can see it better. Yes. Like new. No spots. Like new. I still have to do the roof, but you can get the idea. This one, it works great. You can clean your paint with this, and after you clean it with this, put a coat of wax or whatever you do to your paint. All right, so to keep it clean longer. Okay, so this is the product, the clay bar, Meguiar's Clay Bar Kit. It works great. I like it. Okay guys, that's the clay bar kit. The link is gonna be on the description of the video if you wanna get this. Okay, the paint is smooth and nice. I already removed all the trees up or the black spots on the paint. It works great. It's amazing. I like it, so I approve it. The link is gonna be on the description, but let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments, and if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.